In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Robux using Apple Pay. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you have Apple Pay set up and ready to go, because it is not going to work if you don't have any funds or if Apple Pay isn't set up. So go ahead and open up your settings just like so. Then go to the search bar and look up Wallet and Apple Pay. Select on it just like so. Then scroll down. And you want to make sure that the option that says Apple Cash is turned on. And then over here, you'll see this option that says Apple Cash. And then from there, you're able to go ahead and set it up. So you can go ahead and press on continue and stuff like that. So guys, it is still going to work if you also do have a debit card. So as you're able to tell, I also do have a debit card connected. So I do have a debit card. So that is going to work as well. So we have multiple different options. But anyways, once you set up Apple Cash, or you have a debit card connected, then the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up the Roblox app like you normally would. Then go to the top right and select on the Roblox icon. Then it is going to give you a bunch of options over here. So go ahead and find the one you want to purchase. So as you're able to tell, we're able to purchase lots of Robux, or we can go ahead and purchase small amounts, but just select on the amount you want. Then it is going to ask you to choose a payment method. So you can use an Apple Pay card from Wallet as your default card. So then all you want to do is you want to press on continue just like so. And then you need to go ahead and verify by double clicking to pay, and you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.